The following message is transmitted at the request of the Bozeman Police Department. Several reports of car accidents have been received as of 6 p.m. Mountain Time. People have reported that they are now beginning to feel very sleepy, to the point that they cannot wake up. It is still unknown what is causing all of this, but the police are investigating the cause of it. Remain indoors and stay indoors until the situation has been cleared. If you feel very sleepy while driving, pull over to the side of the road. Driving on a road while sleeping is very dangerous. Stay tuned for more updates.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Montana State Police and the conjunction of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A biological hazardous warning has been issued for all of Montana as of 7:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A huge purple smoke was seen spreading across the following areas: Bozeman, Livingston, Butte, Walkerville, Great Falls, Glasgow, Miles City, Billings, Bernie, Red Lodge, Dillon, and Big Sky. People were reported to fall into a deep sleep when they inhaled purple smoke. For safety, if you are currently driving and suddenly drive into a purple smoke, attempt to pull over to the side right before you fall asleep. If you are right close to the building, head to the nearest building immediately. Remain tuned for more updates on this situation.
Civil danger warning for Montana, Idaho, Oregon, Wyoming, California, and Colorado. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A purple smoke that causes people to fall into a deep sleep has been spread into nearby states. Many reports that people fall into a deep sleep and cannot wake up for an hour or a day. This is a very dangerous situation as half of the population in these mentioned states has fallen into a deep sleep from the purple smoke. No one knows what caused the outbreak of the purple smoke, but many authorities and the U.S. military are now investigating the source of the purple smoke. Remain indoors if you are in the affected states. Several car accidents have also been reported in major areas in these affected states. All air transportation will remain on the ground as the purple smoke can also travel through the air, causing major accidents in the air. This is a very dangerous situation and the action should be taken seriously. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All states on the mainland, as well as Alaska and Hawaii, have reported purple smoke spreading everywhere to the point where people have fallen into a deep sleep and to the point that they will not be able to wake up. Other countries in North America have also reported purple smoke. These countries include Canada, Mexico, Bahamas, Jamaica, Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Grenada, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador. Whatever you do, do not go outdoors.